Check out this new AI. It's actually super handy for anyone editing photos or video footage. It's called ObjectClear, and what makes it special is what it can do with just a couple of clicks. Remove any object and completely erase its presence, including its shadow or reflection from an image or video. If you've struggled in Photoshop trying to erase a subject and its shadow, you already know how much time that takes. With ObjectClear, you can achieve seamless results in seconds. Let's start with a few demonstrations. Imagine you have a photo featuring a cyclist riding past a graffiti wall. You want to erase the cyclist entirely as well as the shadow on the wall behind. Just upload the image, use the selection tool to highlight the cyclist, and hit start. The AI removes not just the person but also any trace in the environment like the shadow while preserving the original wall graffiti, so the spot where the rider was looks natural as if they were never there. Here's another example. Maybe you've captured a photo of a corgi enjoying the sunshine, but you now want to erase the dog from the scene, along with its cast shadow on the grass. ObjectClear takes care of both, leaving no sign of the dog or its shadow. You end up with a picture that looks like the dog was never even present. It works just as well if you want to get rid of larger objects too. Say you have a street photo and you want to remove a parked car from the scene. All you do is select the car, either with a brush tool or by clicking, and ObjectClear erases the car, intelligently fills in the background with trees, grass, or whatever should be behind the vehicle, and reconstructs the road's edge for a flawless finish. Let's try something even trickier, removing multiple people from a photo as well as their shadows. ObjectClear doesn't just erase the figures, but also removes the traces they leave on surfaces or in the lighting, so you're left with a convincing, untouched scene. Or maybe you want to remove just one person from a soccer field photo, but keep the ball and any other objects. Even if the person and ball both have similar shadows, the AI can distinguish between them, clearing away only the target person and their shadow, and keeping the ball and its shadow perfectly intact. ObjectClear can also erase reflections. Say you have a picture of a ship with a perfect mirrored reflection on the water, but you want the ship gone. The AI deletes both the ship and the reflection, cleaning up the water surface. Try it with a glass scene or a cup. If you remove a glass cup from a tabletop, ObjectClear eliminates it and its corresponding glass reflection as well. It's incredibly flexible in how you choose what to remove. If you prefer, just draw a rough brush stroke over the area you want to erase. The selection doesn't have to be perfect. ObjectClear detects the boundaries of the object and segments it automatically, so the editing process is fast and forgiving. Alternatively, just click on the object in your image and the AI will try to select the entire thing for you. You can also keep clicking to expand your selection if the first try isn't enough. Either way, you end up with precise control but minimal effort. There are even options for adjusting the strength of the removal. If you notice bits of a shadow or an edge left behind after your first attempt, increase the strength slider. Usually, setting it to 0.99 covers everything you need, but you can go all the way to 1 for stubborn objects. Most settings work well out of the box, so you rarely need to tweak anything but the removal strength. For those who want to try ObjectClear right away, the developers have set up a completely free demo on Hugging Face. Upload your image, try the tools, and after a quick wait, about 20 seconds per image on the online version, compare your before and after with a handy slider. You'll instantly see the effects of your edit, from object to shadow to reflection. Not only does ObjectClear work in the browser, but all the code and the models are open source and available for anyone to download and run locally. If you want to process videos or do batch editing on your own system, head to the GitHub page where you'll find detailed instructions for setting up ObjectClear at home. Whether you're an experienced editor looking to streamline your workflow or a beginner who just wants to clean up vacation photos, this tool has you covered. ObjectClear is making the kind of object removal work that used to take advanced editing skills or hours of touch-ups available to anyone for free. Whether you're dealing with shadows on concrete, reflections on water, or just an unwanted photo bomber, this AI handles every trace of the object in your scene. If you want to try it for yourself, just check the links in the video description. If you make something cool, let me know in the comments. And for more deep dives into smart, free AI tools, remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.